Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones Marshall Major 5 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now click the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here I have a name. Near to the name I have this pencil icon. On some phones it's located at the right top. Also some Android phones have a line with a name, not this pencil icon. So I tap at this line, you can tap also, I tap at this pencil icon, you can tap at the line if you have a line, or at this pencil icon. Now, right here you can write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text, or so you can remove some text. Let's say I wanna remove this one. The most important is to click Rename at the right bottom, right here in this window. But on your phone it may be Done or something else, or OK. So then you just tap at this button. And as you can see, we just changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!